In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Figmotion Figma plugin, a tool that can transform your design workflow by integrating animation directly within Figma. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that many designers rely on for creating intuitive and dynamic designs. If you don't already have a Figma account, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, go ahead and click on Login in the upper right corner of the web page. Enter your credentials to access your Figma dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma home screen. This is where you can start a new design project or continue working on existing ones. Now direct your attention to the Figma interface and click on the Design section. This will lead you to your design workspace where you can manage and organize your Figma files. The next step is to access the Figmotion plugin. Begin by heading to the Action button, usually located in the toolbar or menu layout, depending on your specific setup and preferences. Clicking on Action allows you to interact with and add different extensions and plugins. In the search bar that appears, type in Figmotion. This will initiate a search for the Figmotion plugin within Figma's extensive directory of useful tools designed to enhance your design experience. Upon finding Figmotion in the search results, you'll need to click on it to begin the integration process. This tool will add animation capabilities directly to Figma's design environment, allowing for a more seamless and interactive workflow. Once you've selected the Figmotion plugin, look for and click the Run button. By executing this command, you activate the plugin, giving you access to all its features directly within your Figma interface. As Figmotion is now part of your Figma toolbox, you can start leveraging its capability to animate and add life to your static designs. This plugin is especially useful for prototyping and creating animations that can communicate dynamic interactions in your design projects. Whether you're updating an app interface or presenting a new design concept to a client, Figmotion can help illustrate your ideas more vividly and effectively. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to integrating the Figmotion plugin into your Figma workflow. Experiment with its features to see how you can further enhance your design projects. Remember, a more interactive design often leaves a stronger impression, and tools like Figmotion empower you to achieve that within Figma. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!